Hey guys, so today I did this little pinup inspired devil look, and if you'd like to see how to get it, you can keep watching. Okay, so I have my hair looking crazy. I'm gonna take it down once I'm done with the makeup, but I'm gonna start off with primer, and this is the Kat Von D Hydrating Primer. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Wet n Wild paint palette. I've never used this product before, so hopefully it goes good. I also don't know how pigmented it is. We'll see. And then I'm gonna go in with a foundation brush. Oh shit, this is like really pigmented. So I'm just gonna start blending the red into my skin. This, if you guys are looking to do face painting for Halloween, oh my god, this palette is so pigmented. I literally barely dipped in and look how red it is. This looks so good. And it feels really nice. It's not too creamy. I'm like shook at this pigment. And this is Wet n Wild. This was like $5 at Walmart. And this says on the back that it's not what does it say? Not for use around the eyes. So I don't know. We'll see. Because I'm still gonna use it here. Okay. My whole face is like covered, and look at how it looks. It looks like I barely took any product. Like, this is so pigmented. It's so good. Okay, so for my neck area, I'm gonna just start bringing it down, but it doesn't have to be like completely covered. It can be like a little bit uneven because we're gonna add blood there, so just as long as it's like fading down. So I'm gonna go in and do my eyebrows with my dip brow. And I usually like to do my brows very natural looking, but with this look you want it to be a little more dramatic. Okay, so next for my eyes, I'm gonna go in with my Meditations palette. So this is a good neutral palette, so I'm gonna just take the darkest shade here. It's not completely black, but it's like a charcoal color. So I'm gonna put this into my crease, blending it with the red color. Okay, so with the same brush, I'm gonna go in with Albania from the KKW Mario palette. So I'm gonna blend this out on top of that black and all over the lid. So going in with my lower lash line, I'm taking the same color, Albania, and I'm gonna start blending this down. Okay, so with a Morphe Y18 brush, I'm gonna go back in with the black color. And I'm gonna put this in my outer V. My outer corner, creating a V shape. So with that same palette, I'm gonna go in with this copperish color. And I'm gonna put this on my lid. So I can't find my liquid eyeliner, so I'm gonna just go in with my dip brow and use it as my eyeliner. So I just put on some mascara off camera, and now I'm gonna pop on some lashes. I'm gonna use the Allure lashes in Curly Queen. This is the collab with Jasmine Brown. Okay, so now I'm going to start contouring, and I'm going to use that same black color that we used on our eyes that look charcoal. the charcoal eyeshadow. I'm just contouring like I would any other day. So I'm going back in with that Albania color. Okay, so now I'm gonna highlight with my Fenty highlighter in Hustle Baby. I'm gonna switch over to a smaller brush, like a small little packing brush, and I'm gonna still highlight. I'm gonna highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. I go in with my lips. I'm gonna use the lip pencil in Clingy from Morphe. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the Kat Von D lipstick in Adora. It's just a red glittery color. It's like completely broken. Okay, so for the next part, I got some vampire blood, and we're gonna put this on our neck. Okay, so this is the final look, a little pinup inspired devil.